Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a vlog this week because I haven't done a weekly vlog in ages. So yeah, I'm off to F45 for the first time since my surgery. It's been 6 weeks now. I'm obviously not going to do all the exercises, like if there's jumping and stuff involved, I can't do that, and like heavy weights. But I'll just pace myself and see how I go. I've missed F45 so much, so I'm so excited. Later on today I'm going to do a collab with Mia Connor, who's another makeup artist here on the Gold Coast, and she's going to do my makeup. I'm so nervous and excited, but more excited because no one has ever really touched my face when it comes to makeup, but I would trust her because she is amazing. Then I have microdermabrasion this afternoon at Australian Skin Clinics, and yeah, I just have a few stuff on this week. What? I'm vlogging. My friend's like, who the hell are you talking to? So yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. How dead are you right now?
Dead.
Same.
You're right because you didn't run.
What?
You're right because you didn't run.
Oh my god, look at my head. I look like a tomato. Your eyelashes are sticking together. So I'm now going home to have a shower, wash my hair, and then I'm going to get my makeup done by Mia. I'm not sure how we're going to film it though, like if she's going to do a talk through, or if she's not keen on that, then maybe like I'll just do a voiceover and just like guess what she's doing. Well, not guess, but like I'll just kind of narrate what she's doing to my face. So yeah, I will see ya. I feel like I always say that when I'm like signing off, so I'll see ya when I get there, but I actually will, so bye. Hey guys, so I just got my makeup done by Mia. Oh my god. Oh shit. Didn't even realize that was there. I'm freaking obsessed. Like, I was a bit nervous, not gonna lie. Just cause like, you're just so used to how you do your own makeup, but I was just so intrigued because I love her work. So I was like, you need to do my face one day. And she did this really dark, black, smoky eye. I filmed it, so I'm gonna edit that as soon as I can and get that up, but oh, the skin though, oh my god, how does she get it so black? I'm obsessed. Oh my god, that highlight though. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. It literally looked like a toe. Oh, cool surgical bra. I am on my way, people are watching, this is why I don't vlog. So this is where I go at Robina Town Centre. I'll try and vlog some of it as well. So I just got a delivery from the Cleanse Kitchen. Shut up. I'm doing... You need help.
Go!
Shut up, okay.
Dude. So I got some white juices today. I'm gonna cleanse my body.
Oh, shush.
Like,
okay.
Thin as fuck.
This 3-day juice cleanse. So basically, you are given 6 juices a day. Let's have a look. Oh, dude, they're all green.
Yum.
They're all green juices. So this one has celery, cos, cucumber, kale, parsley, spinach, and mint. So you have them apparently every 2 hours. You have this in the morning. All right, we're gonna pop these in the fridge. I'm excited. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, I look like a mess. So this morning I just went and picked up some parcels from the post office. So I'm gonna go and open them in my boot. I like opening them in my boot just because I can just take these straight away into the bin. I've already opened one and it was some Reef tanning oil. Oh my god, wow. This one is from CoverGirl and they sent me their new Healthy Elixir foundations. Wowzers. This is cute. It's from BH Cosmetics. It's their Marvy Corn palette. Oh my god, that's so pretty. That's the palette. Oh, you can like hardly tell the colors like in real life, but they're so bright. Oh, Iconic London. Please be their shimmer sprays. I've been like eyeing them off. Oh my god, yes. This is their Prep Set Glow setting spray. So pretty. Oh my god. It's a makeup case. Feels like Christmas. Oh my god. Fuck off, it says my name on it. You can't even see it. JAZ. That is stunning. I can't get over that. Wow. This is the inside of it. Oh my god, I needed a new one as well. And then I guess that's where you put like your brushes or your palettes and stuff. Oh my god. That is so beautiful. Thank you guys so much. I'm definitely going to use that next time I go to Perth. Hey Jasmine, I hope you enjoy these new lip collections and your new Zoeva brushes. Oh my god. Pure Matte Box, 8 full matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, people are here, lol. Oh my god, cute. Those are the colours. Don't rub my nail. So matching liners. You can't really see that well in this light. And finally, oh my god, rose gold. This is my favorite set. So all their brush sets come with like this amazing case. It's like a makeup case, but you can put your brushes in it. And they are all the brushes. Oh my god, I love Zoeva brushes. Thank you so much guys. That seriously like made my day. I love Zoeva. Dear Jazz, hope you love and enjoy the products we've sent you from Ardell Lashes. Oh my god, I love Ardell. I've got new Demi Wispy lashes and they're like a bit more intense, which is like my style. Oh, I love those. What the hell? And they have like the faux mink ones as well. Ooh, I'm excited. That was a good PR box opening. Okay, I'm gonna go up to my apartment and start getting ready. Oh my god, you guys. Holy shit, I've just had like the busiest little morning. I just filmed a bunch of videos and now I'm on my way to Bond Uni to just shoot some clothes with Grace, GG Photography. I've shot with her before. She's so good at photos. So if anyone's looking for a photographer on the Gold Coast, she's so awesome. So yeah, we're going to Bond Uni. We're going to Bond Uni to shoot like at their stadium where there's like coloured stairs, so that should be pretty cute. So I just bought a bunch of clothes from Princess Polly and yeah, that's pretty much what I have planned for the rest of the day, I guess. So I'll try and vlog. If not, I'll make sure to vlog when I get back. Oh my god, look how oily I am. I literally just got back from shooting with Grace. We went to Emerald Lakes and we found this really cute I don't know, it's just like a little like estate, but it kind of reminded me of like Europe. It was so cute. There was like really pretty like white stairs and like really cute colored buildings. So we took a few pics there. I literally forgot to vlog. I didn't even like take my vlog camera. I'm so tired. It is 6:20 and I've only had 3 juices today. So I'm feeling like really lightheaded. So I might go up and get another juice and like down it because yeah, I'm supposed to be on this juice cleanse. I'm gonna unpack all of my stuff from my car, go take my makeup off and just chill out and have a look at photos. I'm so excited to see some of them. She took the most amazing photos around the USB. So I'm gonna go put them on my laptop and have a look. Hey guys, oh my god, I literally look like a homeless person. It's now 8:43 and I am so tired. I honestly don't know how models do it. Like, we were out there shooting for like 2 hours and I was like, "Ugh, I'm dying." Like, I could not be a model ever. Anyways, I'm just editing some videos, just looking through all the photos that we took today, and they're so amazing. She's so good. I'll probably go to bed soon, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday, and today I don't really have that much planned. I think I'm gonna film a video with all of that Too Faced natural glam collection, I think that's what it's called, that I received the other day, and then I'm gonna go get my nails done. One broke, so I'll take you guys along with me. I'm on day 2 of my juice cleanse. I'm actually feeling good today. I'm not feeling that hungry, which is weird, but yesterday, like last night, I was starving. I was like, oh my god, like I could literally eat a horse, but I feel fine now after my first juice of the day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming, and I'll speak to you when I go and get my nails done. Hey guys, so I just finished filming. I did this look. You can't really see it that well in this light, but I'm just about to import all the footage on my laptop and then just chill out for a bit because I'm going to get my nails done in an hour. So I will take you guys along for that. And my laptop's dead. Cool. I think my friend's coming over as well. Vic, come over for a bit. Oh my god, I love this eye look. My skin's like a little bit dry from my chemical peel, but that's normal. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys later. About to go in. I go to Onyx Files. Oh my god, how pretty do they look? I can't. I literally can't even. She's so good. I go to Onyx Files in Coolangatta on the Gold Coast. I'm like obsessed. Wow. So we're out at dinner at the moment because it's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday. How old are you?
17.
He looks about 12. Wait. Oh, maybe not. I forgot that I'm on this juice cleanse, so I brought my juice with me. While everyone's having a buffet. I'm gonna cry when everyone has their food. Hey guys, good morning. Oh, I didn't take the music off. So I'm off to a one-on-one lesson in the salon with a makeup artist. So I've only ever done one one-on-one makeup lesson before, and it went really well. So I've got my second one today for 4 hours. So we're gonna do 2 eye looks, and then, well, she can do 2 bases if she wants, but like a base and 2 eye looks. Oh shit. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along and hopefully vlog some if she lets me. Surely it would be fine. But yeah, that's my plans for today, and then I'm just gonna go grocery shopping. And yeah, I don't really have that much planned except edit. I've got so many videos to edit for you guys. I have like a wedding vlog, Mia's makeup, this vlog, and a makeup tutorial. I'm about to pull up, so I will speak to you guys very soon.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now.
Hey guys, so it's it's Friday today. I've barely vlogged much yesterday because I forgot. So today I don't know if you can like really see it that well. Oh, that's way better. I'm practicing doing one-on-one makeup lessons for people that just want to do their own makeup. So Vic, my bestie here, is trialing it with me. So I'm pretty much just doing my makeup as she's doing it. So you did well, Dill. We're on to base now. So I'll let you guys.
How do you do that?
Okay.
Oh,
Ready? So concealer.
I'm doing it.
This. And then down the center. And then down the nose.
I need to
Yeah.
make my nose skinnier.
And here. Okay. So we just finished the lesson, and this is the look that I taught her. She just wanted to know how to do like smoky, like clubbing look. Come on. Show everyone what you did. She did that all herself. I'm proud of you, gal.
I look, hang on.
What? Close your eyes. It looks so good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do.
It looks mundane.
I think I'm gonna do like more one-on-one lessons with just regular people that just want to learn.
I cannot do my makeup ever, and today I did it.
Yeah, you did it so good. But yeah, just rocking a full face of glam at sushi. Oh my god, mate, it's actually off.
Oh my god, just don't touch it.
Okay. Now I'm taking them off. Oh, that's such a relief. Oh, can we order? Oh my god, yum. These are cornflakes.
Yum.
How good are they? Hey guys, it's Saturday. I'm in the salon today. I have a bunch of clients. Yeah, I feel like it's been a while since I've actually sat down and spoken to the camera, but yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clients. I'm gonna vlog some, so I'll show you guys some makeovers. I'll just put my Spotify on. Tonight I'm not doing much. Probably just go home and edit videos. I have a bunch of videos to edit. Anyways, I will speak to you guys later. Hey guys, oh my god, I literally can't even speak. This is how tight it is. It's Saturday night and I'm in my bed with a glam glow mask on, editing this vlog that you're watching because I cannot be bothered going out. I'm gonna peel this off. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna end this vlog here just because I don't really have that much planned or anything exciting happening tomorrow. Oh my god, this is literally the most satisfying thing ever. Oh my god, how satisfying was that to just watch? Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you guys want to see more weekly vlogs from me, let me know in the comments down below because it was actually really fun to film my week. I feel like I didn't get up to much, but now that like I'm looking back at the footage, I'm like, wow, I actually kind of did a lot. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. But yeah, if you want to see more of these kinds of like chilled out what I do in a week vlogs, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.